Hello friend, today we are going to discuss the new example of organic synthesis, pictet spingeler synthesis. Pictet spingeler synthesis. Pictet spingeler isoquinoline synthesis. In here there is a synthesis of isoquinoline. Synthesis of isoquinoline. This is example of the condensation reactions. In here there is use of aryl ethylamine plus aldehyde reacted in presence of acid to form tetrahydroisoquinolines. There is use of aryl ethyl amine reacted in presence of RCOH, that is aldehyde, with acid catalyst like HCl to form product of this reaction known as tetrahydroisoquinoline. Formation of tetrahydroisoquinoline. These are the product of these reactions. Now the mechanism of these reactions. In the reaction there is use of aryl ethylamine as well as aldehyde reacted in presence of acid to form isoquinoline. This conversion can be take place by the following process. Now the aldehyde R C double bond O H reacted in presence of acid catalyst, that is HCl. In here H plus ion Cl minus ion, there is formation of ions. The oxygen containing non-bonded pair of electron abstract H plus ions to form the molecule like R C double bond O H. These are the H. This oxygen contain positive charge, that is electron deficiency due to the one of the electron donate toward the H plus ions. Therefore this oxygen contain positive charge. Then there is formation of molecule like R C. This bonding electron shifted toward the oxygen atoms due to electron deficient oxygen atoms. This bonding electron shifted from carbon to oxygen to form C single bond OH H. This carbon contain again positive charge, formation of electron deficient electrophiles. In second step there is aryl ethylamine reacted in presence of electrophile from the step first, that is aryl ethylamine reacted in presence of RCOH H. Carbon contain positive charge. The nitrogen containing non-bonded pair of electron donate toward the electron deficient carbon atoms to form molecule like benzene nucleus, then ethyl amine, new bonding between C R H OH, oxygen containing non-bonded pair of electrons, and this nitrogen contain positive charge due to they are form new bonding between the electron deficient carbon atoms and electron rich nitrogen atoms. Therefore this nitrogen contain positive charge. Positive charge means electron deficiency, and this electron deficiency can be fulfilled by the abstraction of NH bonded electron toward the nitrogen atoms. Therefore, this bonding electron shifted toward the nitrogen atoms, and then the H plus can be abstracted by this oxygen containing non-bonded pair of electrons to form the new species like benzene nucleus, N H C H R OH 2. This oxygen contain positive charge due to abstraction of H plus ion. Therefore, the non-bonded pair of electron used toward the new OH bonding. Therefore, the oxygen contain positive charge. In the next step, the nitrogen containing non-bonded pair of electron again coordinate between nitrogen and carbon atom to form a single to double bond. That times there is elimination take place. There is elimination of water molecules, elimination of H2 to form a single to double bond, that is formation of iminium ion as a main intermediate of these reactions like benzene nucleus, NH double bond CHR, and then this nitrogen contain positive charge, that is electron deficiency. In this step there is cyclization take place. The aromatic pi bonded electrons, they are shifted toward the electron deficient carbon atoms. Then this bonding electron shifted toward the electron deficient nitrogen atoms to form cyclic molecules like the aromatic character of this benzene nucleus lost due to the pi bonded electron used to form a new cyclic structure, that is formation of bicyclic molecules CHR single bond NH, and the nitrogen containing positive charge placed toward these carbon atoms. Therefore, there is formation of more stable resonating structures of these molecules. In here, this bonding electrons shifted toward these carbon atoms, that means formation of single to double bond, and this positive charge displaced from these carbon atoms toward this carbon atom. There is formation of more stable resonating structure like CHR NH, formation of single to double bond, and then there is displacement of positive charge. Then this positive charge again conjugated between this pi bonded electron. Therefore, this pi bonded electron shifted toward this and this carbon atom to form a single to double bond. That means there is formation of one another resonating structures like benzene CHR NH, then formation of this double bond, that is positive charge displaced from this carbon atom toward these carbon atoms, then formation of electron deficient carbocation ions. And in this step, this electron deficiency can be fulfilled, that means aromatic character again regained toward this nucleus by abstraction of H bonded electrons to form a single to double bond, that is formation of final structure of the synthesis like benzene nucleus. Then these are the CHR NH, and there is formation of tetrahydroisoquinoline. Tetrahydro due to these are the saturated carbon atoms, 4 hydrogen atoms. Therefore this molecule is known as tetrahydroisoquinoline. That is final structure of this synthesis, tetrahydroisoquinoline. These are the two practice examples. You can write correct mechanism of the reaction as well as correct product of this reaction, and then send the correct answer as well as mechanism of these reactions.